Project documents are the essential written records and outputs that capture critical information throughout a project's life cycle. These documents are vital for effective communication, decision-making, and control. They serve as a repository of project knowledge, ensuring that everyone involved understands the project's direction, status, and requirements. Without clear and well-maintained documents, projects can quickly lose their way, leading to confusion and missed objectives. These common project documents are not just bureaucratic overhead, they are fundamental tools for project managers. They facilitate clear communication, provide a basis for control, and serve as valuable historical records. Understanding their purpose and content is crucial for managing projects effectively and successfully. As you progress in your project management journey, you will find yourself using and relying on these documents constantly. In our next lecture, we will delve into specific types of logs and registers, including the assumptions log, issue log, and lessons learned register, exploring how they contribute to project success. In the previous lecture, we discussed project data, information, and reports. Think of these common project documents as the containers or structures that hold and present that data and information in an organized and useful way. They translate raw data into actionable insights and provide a historical record that can be invaluable for future projects. Recognizing these key documents is a fundamental skill for any certified associate in project management. Let us begin with the project charter, a foundational document. The project charter formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. It is typically issued by the project initiator or sponsor and provides a high-level overview of the project's objectives, scope, and stakeholders. For example, in a website redesign project, the project charter would formally approve the initiative and empower the project manager to assemble the design and development team. Next is the project management plan, which is arguably the most important document in predictive project management. The project management plan describes how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled, and closed. It integrates all the subsidiary plans, such as the scope management plan, schedule management plan, cost management plan, and risk management plan, into a single, comprehensive document. While it is referred to as the plan, it is actually a collection of many specific plans that guide every aspect of the project. Many students might confuse the project management plan with a single simple document. However, it is a living document, meaning it is updated and refined throughout the project. It is the master blueprint that guides the entire project team. For our website redesign, the project management plan would detail how the design will be approved, how the development schedule will be managed, and how the budget will be tracked, consolidating all these approaches. Requirements documentation is another critical document. This document describes how individual requirements meet the business need for the project. It details the conditions or capabilities needed by a user to solve a problem or achieve an objective. Requirements can be functional, describing what the product does, or non-functional, describing how well the product performs, such as speed or security. Clear requirements documentation is essential to ensure the project delivers what the stakeholders truly need. Closely related is the Requirements Traceability Matrix. This document links requirements from their origin to the deliverables that satisfy them. It helps to ensure that all approved requirements are eventually met, and that changes to requirements are properly managed. For our website redesign, the Requirements Traceability Matrix would link a specific user login requirement to the design mock-up, the development code, and the testing scenario that validates it. This ensures nothing is missed. The Stakeholder Register is a document that contains information about project stakeholders. It includes their identification, assessment, and classification. Identification involves listing all individuals or organizations who are affected by the project. Assessment involves understanding their interests, influence, and involvement. Classification helps to determine the appropriate engagement strategies. This register is crucial for effective stakeholder communication and management throughout the project. Another vital record is the Risk Register. This document details all identified risks, including their description, potential impact, probability of occurrence, and planned response strategies. It helps the project team proactively manage uncertainties and minimize potential negative effects. Keeping a robust risk register ensures that potential problems are not only identified, but also have a plan in place to address them, reducing surprises during execution. The change log is a document used to record all changes requested, approved, or rejected during the project lifecycle. It provides a historical record of all change requests and their disposition. This log is essential for maintaining control over the project baselines and ensuring that all changes are formally reviewed and approved by the appropriate authority, often the Change Control Board. Without a change log, it becomes very difficult to track why certain project elements evolved. The activity list is a comprehensive list of all scheduled activities required to complete the project work. Each activity typically includes an identifier, a scope of work description, and sufficient detail to understand the work to be performed. This document forms the basis for developing the project schedule. For our website redesign, the activity list would break down tasks like design user interface, develop backend database, and conduct user acceptance testing. Complementing the activity list is the milestone list. A milestone is a significant point or event in a project schedule. The milestone list identifies these key checkpoints, such as website design approved or beta launch complete. Milestones are often used to mark major deliverables or phases and are useful for tracking progress at a high level. They provide clear targets for the team and stakeholders, offering a sense of accomplishment as each one is achieved.